Hey travelers, today I'm going to take you on a tour of our room at the Riu Palace Pacifico. This is a partial ocean view room, and do stay tuned to the end because I'm going to give you a little bit more information about the room after we've stayed there for a couple of days. So let's go check it out. This is another partial ocean view room here at the Riu Palace Pacifico. So we've got a nice big open shower, dual vanity, there's some soap dispensers, so we've got shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. It's no longer the combined product. And we also have some extra towels there, a hairdryer, and the toilet. And of course the door does close, so it is fully private. And we've got a top opening safe, which I prefer. And then lots of storage, lots of hangers. We've got the minibar here with the refillable bottles. The minibar is restocked once a day. Pretty good selection, I must say. And then we've got lots of storage out here. We've got plugs on either side of the bed. So there's USB fast charging, regular plug-in, and of course a little bit of storage right beside the bed. Smart TV. I haven't figured out how to connect to that yet. We'll do that in a separate video or add that to this one. And the USB and regular plug-in on this side. And there's also, if you need to do some work, there's a plug-in as well as fast charger and USB right by this desk. And couch. And let's check out the view. I haven't been outside here, so not sure what it's like. So the first thing I'll say is a couple of chairs. There's a little place where you can dry your wet clothes if you give them a wash. And this is the view. So just overlooking the courtyards. This is an inner view. And actually it's a really great ocean view as well. I cannot complain about that at all. There's a cruise ship out there. That's really cool. So yeah, liking that view. And here's a reverse view. So very spacious room. All right, so just wanted to give you a little bit more info about the room now that we've been in here for a couple of nights. So we actually stayed here about a month ago, and we were on the opposite side of the building. So it's a U shape, and we were on the south side last time. This time we're on the north side. Both have an inner courtyard view. The bed this time is a little bit more squishy. So the beds are going to, vary based on how new they are, that kind of thing. The room that we had before was 8051, and the bed in that room was very firm. This bed is a little bit softer, but interestingly enough, my back feels fine, even though it's a little bit softer than what I'm used to. The other thing is, if you're staying on the south side and you have a room that's facing into the courtyard, you basically are like right across from the other rooms on the other side. And you can actually see into the other rooms at certain times of day. And in particular, if there is lights on in the bathroom or around the mirror, then with the backlighting, if you're getting dressed and you're staying on the north side, just be aware, if you don't have your curtains closed, you're putting on a show for the people across the way. If you are staying on the south side, you're not putting on a show for anyone because you actually can't see in. So it's a bit of a difference there. Now, as far as the minibar goes, that is restocked every day, and there's a hefty amount of beers in there, as well as large bottles of water. And if you prefer something smaller or something different, there is an OXXO that's actually right around the corners, so you can always help yourself to that. And overall sound is quite good. We haven't heard any of our neighbors. We've got people on either side. And otherwise the room's quite comfortable. So that's pretty much all I have to say about the room. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see you on the next one.